That's a good time to have jeans on, Claire.
Huh? Yeah, you can walk right up this way.
Good luck with that. And help you? What are you going in the water?
The water right here?
Yeah.
Here she goes.
Are you in the water?
Yes. Grandma, that's not the time to add something down your leg.
It's not going to stop her.
Nope. That's okay. You can get. You'll change when you get in.
It's all right.
She's a little determined little thing.
Look at me. Are you in the water?
She'll have fun if we get to go to Lipke's Creek. Oh, there goes Brett. Are you wet, Brett?
Yes.
Yeah?
That's okay. You got plenty. You brought plenty of clothes. Don't you want to go up there too?
No.
Come on, I'm coming to help you. Go back this way.
There you go.
There you go.
All for a few minutes on the vlog.
Yeah.
When you get in, sweetheart.
When you get up here, Claire, when you get up here, we'll take your socks off. You'll have better
Why
traction.
don't you go first, and then a kid, and then these two, and then I'll go last. Like, we'll go. No, because when you come from behind you, it's back.
I can walk.
I can't see you, Savannah. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh.
I just have to cross that piece.
Woohoo! Mom, over here.
Oh!
Whoa. Mom, I'm right here.
Hey!
Keep me down.
Hey, Savannah.
I'm walking back and forth.
Remember when we played on the ice on that pond?
Yeah. Hey, look.
Jump in there.
Hey, that was a good move, Brett.
Look. No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. You caught yourself. Good. Ooh, Phil, are you all wet?
No, I'm not wet.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Land on that limb.
Come back for Claire. Come back for Claire. Go back for Claire.
I'll go get her. I'll go get her.